Skryf vir jou in die donker pen, swaar soos 'n geweer. Die woorde val, maar ek's gevang hier in die sfeer. Elke kruidwolk ruik soos verlore tyd. Maar jou naam, jou stem, hou my hart nog veit.
Die stilte skree harder as die kanone blaf. Ek vra myself, is ek nog jou held of net 'n skaf? I see your face in every bullet's heart, but the distance, girl, it's tearing me apart.
Letters fall, but words can't reach. Hearts divided out of speech. Ek roep jou naam, jy hoor my nie. This love is war, but can we be free? Letters fall, but words can't reach. Hearts divided out of speech. Ek roep jou naam, jy hoor my nie. This love is war, but can we be free?
Night falls heavy, shadows chase my mind. Elke tree vorentoe, jou gesig ek steeds vind. The wind carries whispers of our old dreams. Among the gunfire, your memory redeems. I count the stars, map them like your eyes. Elke belofte onder vreemde skies. The world is burning, yet I hold on tight. Dreaming of your arms when I survive the night.
Vingers seer, your words are lifelines, fragile yet sincere. Elke lyn 'n wond, elke stilte 'n litteken, maar ek hou vas, wag vir jou terugkeer.
I whisper to the night, hoping it flies, carrying my love to where your courage lies. Through smoke and shadows, I'll keep the flame, waiting for the day you root my name.
Letters fall, but words can't reach. Hearts divided out of speech. Ek roep jou naam.